Hey, this is Mighteee. Welcome to this video. One awesome thing about social media is everybody loves to give their opinion. Look at this example. Every launch, I ask for opinions to choose my product logo or the product box. This time I did the same and I posted 4 options, asked for opinions, and look at this, 77 comments were only 44 likes. So people actually have time to give their comments more than clicking the likes or heart, etc. Look at another example on one of the very crowded group, ClickFunnels group. Somebody asked, how do you handle the inner voices that tell you you are not good enough? So it's basically asking for opinion, and 249 comments so far. It was posted yesterday. Now another post about why do you think some people make it as an entrepreneur and others don't. This is also asking for opinion, and there are 265 comments. So we basically leveraged this psychological trigger and put it into Mighteee. This is one of the contest type on Mighteee. So this is how that photo contest looks like. So you can ask anything you want. You can ask which one is the best, give your opinion, put your vote on the below, and win whatever you want to offer. So when the contestants want to give their opinion or vote, they have to sign up using email address, and when they do, they will immediately receive an email like this with a referral link saying, hey, if you refer more people, or if you send more people, if you share this particular link, you will earn points, and the top point earner will receive the award. So this is how it looks like. This is how it works. So now let me show you how you can select the points. Okay, so for voting, I selected 10, for view 5, for social, share 15 points, referral. You can choose as you want. You can even go random, and you can automate the whole process in the automation center. So let's say in the reward section, you can offer rewards for just 2, 3, 4 shares or referrals. And this whole system will be automatic. The referrer or the sharer will automatically receive as soon as they hit the threshold. Okay, you can use some notification email when somebody is inactive, joined or voted but didn't do anything else. You can send notification or encouragements, and this is motivation. You can use any of these motivation emails that run automatically. Now let me show you how a campaign is created. So go to the contests and add new contest. There are 3 types, but I'm only showing here a photo contest. So let's say click continue, and then choose one of the awesome templates. Everything is editable, so which one you write, and then subheading, vote and win iPad. Then click here, go to Pixabay and choose ticket. Another one, the third one, choose this. Okay, now save and continue. Price, coupon code 15th November, select continue, and select the award point for users. So if anyone views only, if anyone shares their referral link and somebody just view the contest, the sharer, the referrer will get 5 points. If somebody votes using their referral link, then they will get 10 points. If they do social share, then they will get 15 points, and for referral they will get 20 points. And then continue, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, and select an end date, let's say 1 week. We continue, and the job is done. The contest is ready to get votes, get viral, get shares, get referrals, and get more and more traffic. That's it. Thank you very much. This is Mighteee signing off. This is how Mighteee works. This is Mighteee, one of the campaign types of Mighteee works. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.